It's a day in the life of DC. It's a day in the life of DC.
Hi guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is DC. You're watching the life of DC. So in today's video, I'm trying to organize my bathroom. Right now it is cluttered. I need some kind of organization system. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment below if this video was very helpful. And then also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload, and hit the thumbs up if this video was helpful. All right, let's get into the video. All right, guys. So like I said, here's my bathroom. It's nothing fancy. It's a regular bathroom. So let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. This is my cabinet space right now. So let me show you underneath. So as you can see, it's a ton of things underneath. I hate this. I need to figure out some kind of organization system for this, because now I have cleaning products along with some beauty products. Here's some of the drawers. Drawers are somewhat organized. Somewhat organized. The drawers are somewhat organized, but it could be organized a little better, like this. No organization. This one, no organization. Same for these. Just stuff everywhere. So I want to get more organized so I'm able to find all of my items. So as you can see, very messy. So I have to figure out what kind of shelving system I can utilize, because this is not a full wall. This is the drawer, as you can see. So I wouldn't be able to put a shelf across. But I also saw people utilizing this space, putting some type of basket or something right here. So we're going to see what we can do. So I'm going to see what type of item shelves, like I said, that I can get that's a reasonable price to make it organized. Because as we all know, it's easier when your things are organized because you know exactly where it's at. So I think I might go to Walmart, Target, and I did see something at Aldi. So I'm not sure if that shelving system is still there, because it was from a post that I saw on Instagram, and it might be, you know, months ago when they posted it. So I'm gonna go check that out. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We're gonna see what we can find. Hopefully we can find something to get more organized. And then I'm also probably gonna stop at Dollar Tree, because at Dollar Tree I was able to get some bins that I utilize in my room. I'm not sure if I can utilize these same bins in the bathroom some way. They have different shapes. I don't know. So we're gonna try to figure it out, what I can do, what I can come up with, to see what can fit. Because I was thinking maybe, you know how you have those hooks that technically go over the door, or maybe I can use command strips to hook it onto like one of these baskets. And like I said, they have different sizes, so you can get a bigger one, bigger than this. But see that maybe I could use command strips to hook onto these, to put them on the door some way, like maybe like this. Put it on the door so you have something that you can put in there. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So let's find out what we can do to make this more organized, because I need it to be functional to where I can find all my beauty products as well as my cleaning products without having to rummage through a whole lot of different things. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. Okay guys, so I just pulled up to a Dollar Tree. This is actually a new Dollar Tree that just opened, so I want to come visit it to see what they have, because they might have some different stuff since it's new. So let's go in and see what they have. So they have these. I'm gonna get some of these. Oh, let me get the longer one. They have short ones and long ones. We get 2 of the short ones, 2 of the long ones. They do have these. They have these. They do have this wire basket. We got one of those. But easy. Not a large selection. I'm used to this one having a large selection. We have those. I don't think they have it, guys. Guys, now I'm going to Target. We're gonna see what they have as options. Okay, so here's some shelf. Well, they have these. Stack. This is nice too. But this is a 2-tier bin organizer. I don't know how much this one is, but that might be something good. And then they have this one. This is $35. I should have measured it. Same shelf. Oh, I don't know how much the 3-tier one, but these say 15 each. Give you a little picture of what it'll look like. Everything has to be laying down. We got this one. This is a bathroom tray. Probably spins. Let me put this down. Probably spins. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, I thought it spun. Okay, so this is just a show. This is 15. These are like totes and everything. So, are these it? 22. $22. Well, might as well say $23 for that. And we got this one. It's a stackable storage. So it's dry erase space. So you can stack them on top of each other. Now those are things that need to be hanging organizers. Oh, I guess this is the mat. I got a hanging door caddy. Let's see. Oh, here's the thing I was looking for. So this is what I was going to make. But they have one that's $20. You can hang over the door. Am I gonna do that? It's $20. Look at this. Look at this. Okay guys, we're back from the store. So now I'm just going to clean out the cabinets with the Lysol wipes, and then I'm going to start organizing all my items. As you can see on the counter, I pulled everything out. So I'm just wiping down any products. Like for the example, that's a container that I put my oil in. So I just want to wipe down anything that might have, you know, any residue on there, and clean out the cabinets and start organizing the cabinets. Okay guys, so I did actually purchase those two hanging shelves from Target. So you're gonna see me just install it, which is basically just putting it on the cabinet, and you'll see me utilize those two-tier shelves that I also bought from Target as well. This is what it looks like. Some of the products, and this is why you probably want to put some type of contact paper, because it messed up the cabinet. Whatever spilled, I can't get it off, and it messed up the cabinet. So okay guys, so I'm going to insert some pictures. Here's a picture of all the things that I purchased, and then I'm going to show you some before pictures of what the cabinets look like before I start decluttering. And now I'm going to show you the aftermath, the after pictures after purchasing the items from Target and the dollar store. This is what it looks like now. Very organized, clutter free, able to find everything easily. Okay, so let me know what you guys thought. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching my video.
Keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.